water and no charge. Your money's no good here. Orders from the house, you see. Now, drink up. It appears that the night's just begun.
Remain seated and keep your hands, arms, and legs inside during the journey. We wouldn't want any casualties. As we depart the depot and pass by some of the dearly departed residents of our township, be sure to remain seated. Passengers who choose to leave early just might find themselves joining these fine folks. Arriving back at the depot. For those of you who avoided the witches and their spells, please remain seated. Thanks for riding with us. We're dying to have you return.